Hannah has $900. She spends a third of this money on books and 2/5 of this money on presents. What fraction of the $900 has she left? Okay, so let's have a look at the books first. So I'm going to draw a bar for books. Let's do books in red. So here's my books. And she spends a third on books. So I'm going to split that into 3. So that means the whole of this represents her $900. She spends a third on books. So I need to split this into 3 to figure out what 1/3 is. So 900 divided by 3 is 300. We only want 1/3. So that's this bit here, just one of those boxes. She spends £300 on books. Now let's have a go at the presents. So here's my bar for the presents. And she wants to split this into 5ths. And it's of the original amount of money. So again, this whole bar represents that £900 that she started with. $900, sorry. If I want to find 1/5, I need to split it into 5, so 900 divided by 5. If it's non-calculator, I can do a little bus stop for this. How many 5s go into 900? 5 is into 9 is 1, and there's still 4 left. 5's into 40 is 8. 5 into 0 is 0. So there's 180 in each here. That means 1/5 is 180. I want 2/5. So that's 2 boxes. So that's these 2 here. 180 add 180 is 360. So she spent £300 on books and £360 on presents. Let's add those together. 300, 360. So altogether she spent £660, dollars even. So how much has she got left? I need to do 900, take away what she spent, which was the 660. 0 take away 0 is 0. 0 take away 6. Can't do that, it's going to go into negative, so I need to borrow from the 9 here, so that's going to go down to 800, and that's going to go up to 10 there. So 10 take away 6 is 4. 8 take away 6 is 2. She's going to have $240 left.